Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel called with this game. In this video I have to show how to solve the DLL error in your Windows with the easiest way. So let me show in your browser. There are different errors MSV. First I have shown the msvcr110.dll error. There could be shown. So there they can show how to solve. It's a lengthy process. They can explain. No, it was very lengthy. It will confuse a person. Now I have saw the second DLL error, msvcp140. There should be very lengthy process to solve. So there will be some different DLL errors. I have only two DLL errors. So the best way is you can download the Microsoft Visual Studio C++ 2015, and not only download 2015, you can download all the Microsoft. Let me show in my system. There are 2005, 2006, 2008, 2012, 2015 to 2019 distribution x64. I have already all the Microsoft Visual Studio downloaded. So you can simply search Microsoft Visual Studio C++ 2015. So there will be the link, the first stop. Let me show that there are all Visual Studio available. You can simply type Microsoft Visual C++ distributable and the name of 2015, 2013, 12, all are available here. So you can see that they are all available. So I hope you will be learned how to download. It's a small size of downloading, 13 MB, 20 MB, 24 MB. So you should download from here. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.